Hello everyone, we are still on exercise 6.4. The next question we are going to take is question number 14. It is saying find the interval in which the function fx equals to x square e power minus x is increasing. So we start with the function fx equals to x square e power minus x. Find out the first derivative. We'll be using product rule. Let's differentiate x square first, so we get 2x e power minus x plus x square as it is. E power minus x differentiation would be e power minus x into minus 1. We can rearrange the terms and write it some like this: x square e power minus x. Now to find out the critical points, we'll have to equate this to 0. So if f dash of x is equals to 0, what we can write is, we can write 2x e power minus x minus x square e power minus x equals 0. We may take e power minus x common so that we can get 2x minus x square equals 0. So what it says is e power minus x is equals to 0, or 2x minus x square equals 0. Again we take x common, we get 2 minus x equals 0. So from this we can say x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 2. So we are having here three critical points per se, but this particular value e power minus x, e power minus x is always positive. It is always positive, at least for all x belongs to real numbers. So we just skip that and we don't really focus on x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. What we need to notice here is that the coefficient of x square or x is negative. So when you are doing wavy curve by putting 0 comma 2, we will not start with plus sign over here, we'll start with negative sign actually, and then alternate it. Now to see if it is correct or not, we can just check this for all the values of x. That is, if you take minus infinity less than x less than 0, in this, that is basically minus infinity comma 0, we have to just check the sign for f dash of x, and the function that we have taken can be written as this: x into e power minus x into 2 minus x. So for any value negative, the first bracket would be negative. E power minus x, as I said, for all real numbers it's going to be positive. Now 2 minus x, again it's going to be positive, which means that this is going to be less than 0. Hence it is decreasing, so that matches. Now for any value between 0 to 2, so this is 0x2. Now again in the function, if you see 0 to 2, the values are positive. Again e power minus x is going to be positive. Between 0 to 2, if you take any value and subtract from 2, you will get positive. So this is greater than 0. Again the wavy curve checks it. Now 2 less than x less than infinity, which is nothing but 2 comma infinity. In this particular interval, if you check, x is going to be positive, e power minus x again positive, only the last bracket would be negative, so that is less than 0. So here it would be decreasing. So from this, by checking both the wavy curve and the manual method, what we can say is that it is going to be strictly increasing in the interval 0 comma 2. That's all.